It's been a frustrating 2 years for Mark Webb.
It crushed the driver's side fender in.
In November of 2023, Mark's security cameras captured the incident.
Busted the whole radiator support and everything.
See as the driver overestimates the turn and hits Mark's vehicle.
Made the vehicle undrivable.
The incident happened just about 2 years ago today, right off of Jackson Street on the south side of Billings.
And it gets worse. This damage was caused by a driver without insurance, leaving Webb with $3,000 in repairs.
I have never received a dime yet.
Webb and the driver were called to district court, but the driver never appeared. Eventually, the judge issued the uninsured driver a $500 fine on top of the $3,000 restitution for repairs. But the law seems to have no teeth.
The officer has the discretion to give him a warning or write him a notice to appear or split it.
Sheriff Mike Linder confirms it's illegal to drive a car in Montana without auto insurance, but
he is still today driving around in the same vehicle, same tags, with no insurance.
Lieutenant Puckett with the Billings Police Department tells MTN in those circumstances, quote, they are advised that it isn't legal to drive. We can't wait to see if they drive away. Most of the time, the vehicle is moved into a parking lot before the officer leaves. So what are your options? Well, Mark Webb will tell you to pay extra to get that uninsured driver's protection on your insurance.
If you have full coverage insurance and your insurance company offers you uninsured insurance protection, I do recommend you carry it on your vehicle.
In Billings, Matt Carmack, MTN News.